Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Mark Jr. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. You'll find a lot of colour browsing through this profile, duotone and tritone effects, sometimes taking over the whole display and other times as part of a larger frame design. There are plenty of different styles ranging from simplistic and traditional to more elaborate and abstract. Collage backgrounds with camera overlays and tech aesthetics that feel very Tron or Hacker inspired. Remember that movie? The way 90s films tried to visualize technology was pretty crazy. Some feel like surrealist color explosions that immediately stand out when scrolling, and others are more subtle but give off a print magazine photo shoot vibe. It wouldn't take much effort to create some really interesting stories or posts on Instagram using these filters, and honestly, what more could you ask for at the end of the day? Go follow Mark Jr. on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Reza Izawan. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Straight away you can tell this creator is a gamer. There are tons of AR minigames that you can play by yourself or with others. Taking a basic feature like blinking and connecting that with the ability to move or jump a character has allowed for a few basic templates that can be rethemed in infinite combinations. There's a bike ride through a cityscape, competitive sack racing, and an Among Us jumping game to name a few. There are skiing and cowboy themed games that take inspiration from apps like Temple Run, and another that's not far from Flappy Bird or the helicopter flash game I used to play at school. But the assets are what really make these filters. The gameplay is functional and the execution is well thought out, but taking the time to design different elements gives each game a unique style and feel as you play. Check out Reza Izawan on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Mala Shemka. Check out their profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Variety is the spice of life, and this page is plenty spicy. You've got dancing 3D figures animated using programs like Mixamo, side-scrolling minigames with well-designed assets and blink-to-jump features, and filters which answer the age-old question of which SpongeBob character are you? There are high-quality 3D models of Audis and BMWs, and a cool face split effect that reveals your inner Terminator. I'm a huge fan of creators experimenting with different techniques and visual styles because it shows how the people making these filters are having fun, learning new techniques and creating things that they enjoy. You've got particle burritos and a happy but slightly more risque particle effect. Overall, there's a lot to play around with here and more than enough to get inspired by for your own creations. Check out Mala Shemka on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Dude SG. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This is one of those pages where things start out looking relatively simple, but as you break down the techniques on display and how the pieces all fit together, you quickly realise how complex some of the designs and executions actually are. You've got basic person segmentations with animated backgrounds and multiple instances of the camera texture to create snaking centipedes of the user, but also more intricate effects like a Which Are You filter that turns into a spectacle of lights and visual elements as you're transported into a virtual environment and fire lasers from your mouth to destroy bad vibes. A fully 3D space-themed minigame is jaw-droppingly well made, and there's even a recreation of the Impossible Maze game from Flash days gone by. Check out Dude SG on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Bigfoot AR. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Memes appear to be a central theme of this profile, with the most obvious examples being a filter that puts a giant croc on your head. But there's clearly a lot of talent backing up the effects on this page that lead to a few standout efforts both in terms of design aesthetic and practical application of the features available in Spark AR. There's one that acts as a retro frame, and when flipped to the front-facing camera is revealed to be a fully modelled home video camera attached to the forehead. There's also a Polaroid camera attached in a similar way that flashes when you take a picture and then prints and develops a photo. The image you end up with is pre-selected, but still a very cool concept. My favourite is the classic iPod ad setup, complete with green background, silhouette and added headphones. Simple, but very effective. Check out Bigfoot AR on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Eugene Coulter. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. There are some awesome pop culture references across the filters on this profile that I haven't seen recreated anywhere else. You've got an awesome pinhead mask from the movie Hellraiser and a Beavis and Butthead frame complete with face deform, so you and a friend can live out your MTV dreams. The Vietnam flashback filter is super well executed with simple layers and a 3D helmet model that bring the kind of scene you'd see in a war movie to life in your IG stories. Oh, and the negative paintbrush effect is super creative and probably my favourite. With animated backgrounds, fashionable neck decorations and a few devilishly themed effects, it's worth saving a few of these to your favourites because you never know what you'll get next. Check out Eugene Coulter on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Tato.jpg. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Everything on this page is cool. Trippy visuals, surrealist colour palettes, and some pretty crazy effects to boot. There are elaborately designed masks with epic lighting setups and particles adding extra depth and bringing the combinations of AR elements to life. Fun outfits with head and neck decorations as well as face tattoos, and reflective textures and filters that play around with object physics that were definitely made using another program like Blender, brought inside of Spark AR and given new life in world space effects. This is a really experimental page, and I've had a lot of fun browsing through everything, trying things out and trying to figure out exactly what's going on with each filter. Check out tato.jpg on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Toma Haruvi. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Sometimes less is more, and with this page, minimalism seems to be key to the creative process. There's nothing too crazy or elaborate, but what is available has obviously been well thought out, and the final results are subtle yet very effective. Lots of frames, sometimes with vignettes and patch effects like RGB colour shift, but also simple borders that take inspiration from print media and magazines like National Geographic. Like I said before, simple but very effective. There are hand-drawn animations tracked onto the face and backgrounds, and also a Sims character effect with diamond above the head and face morphing to show changing moods. When making filters, it's important to think about how they'll be used by others, and all the effects here definitely have practical application for people looking to give their stories a more aesthetically pleasing look. Check out Toma Haruvi on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Bianca Garuti. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This page has a whole bunch of filters related to makeup, including eyeshadow, lashes, lipstick, and full face looks that I had to cut out for time, so what I've decided to showcase here are some of the more general purpose effects that make use of similar techniques but likely have potential to appeal to a wider audience than just those in the beauty community. You've got character-inspired filters like Elvira and Storm with face-tracked assets, eyeball effects, and cool lighting setups, alongside more simple but equally fun concepts like a face mesh covered in pen scribbles. You ever draw a monobrow or moustache on when you were bored at school or work? Well, now you can achieve the same result without having to scrub it all off again later. I like what's happening here, and the consistent output shows just how committed this creator is to mastering their craft and putting out some great effects that everyone can enjoy. Check out Bianca Garuti on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show, I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Hikari529. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Kawaii is the name of the game here, with frames and borders that feel like they were pulled directly from a Pinterest mood board. There's nothing too elaborate or complicated, but it's clear this creator is having a lot of fun making things they want to see and experimenting with the features of Spark AR and other design programs to figure out what's possible. In some ways it feels like notebook doodles brought to life, with stickers and scribbles rendered across a multitude of effects in cute and simple ways. I get the sense that the owner of this account is just getting started on their AR journey, and I encourage them to stick with it and keep putting their ideas out there. The best way to develop your skills is to keep practicing and to showcase every step along the way. Document the process so you'll be able to look back in a year or two and see just how far you've come. Check out Hikari529 on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.